What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? There's a pandemic going on. I don't know if you know. It's terrifying. And I've been here at home for 130 some days, probably more. Honestly, probably more. I mean, I leave my house. It's not like I don't leave my house, but you know, can't go out, can't go to bars, can't go to the movies, can't hang out with your friends. It's terrible. 2020 is terrible. That's not why we're here, okay? We are here for something very, very good that came out of 2020, and that is Fenty Skin. Okay, I don't know if it's just me, but I've been waiting for this. I have been waiting for this. I have been waiting for this, okay? Rihanna has literally skin that's like butter, and I want that. I mean, I have pretty good skin. I'm not gonna lie, I have pretty good skin. But her skin, oh, chef's kiss. It's flawless. It's perfect. It's amazing. And now Queen Riri has graced us with her skincare products. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, so here's the thing. I'm lucky enough to be on the Fenty Beauty PR list. Okay? So when I tell you that I got an email from Fenty Skin, not Fenty Beauty, Fenty Skin, I literally, it was like fireworks were going off everywhere because I was so excited. I was like, oh my, Fenty Skin is here. It's here. So yeah, they asked me if I wanted to try the products out for a few weeks before the launch. And I, of course, said yes. And I've been trying them out literally since the day they came into my mailbox. Literally since that day, I've been using these skincare products every single day. Okay, so let's talk about each product and the steps that they go in, that you put them on your face and whatnot, and then I will let you guys know what I thought after trying them out for 30 days. Okay, so first up, we have the Total Cleanser Remove It All Cleanser. Is that what it's really called? Total Cleanser Remove It All. Yeah, that's what it's called. That's actually what it's called. That name's not great. But it's just the name. It's just the name. The product, that's what we're here for. We're here for the product, not the name. Okay, so here are the claims that they said on their Instagram. It is a 2-in-1 cleanser and makeup remover that gives you a delicious, deep clean you deserve. Yes, ma'am. This cleanser removes makeup, oil, dirt, and pollution without stripping the skin or drying you out. It purifies pores and helps fight shine long after you rinse it off. It is oil-free, non-comedogenic, and it is for all skin types. Honestly, I love that this is a makeup remover and a cleanser because if I'm being really honest, most of the time I get really, really lazy to do my 2-step cleanser, which is like, you know, the makeup remover, oil or balm, and then the cleanser. And I normally just go in with the cleanser and it probably doesn't take off all the makeup. So this is really, really great that it has both of those in one. Packaging wise, I don't know if I love this kind of packaging that you just twist and squirt into your hand. I always prefer a pump in general. I also just don't like the fact that where the product comes off is sitting on the sink. Obviously, I clean my sink and I make sure everything is nice and disinfected all the time, but like, if some of the product is still here, especially when you close it, the product does come out a little bit, and then that just sits on the sink and it creates kind of a mess. I don't really love that. I feel like it's a little unhygienic, but I could be wrong. I don't know. That's just my preference though. I really just don't like this kind of packaging, but the product that is inside is good. Okay, it's good. It's a good product. I like it a lot. Will I say is my favorite makeup remover? No, it's not my favorite makeup remover, but as a cleanser, I absolutely adore it. I adore it. It definitely does take off your makeup. I just would say that it probably doesn't take it off as like easily and quickly as like a cleansing balm would, but it doesn't strip your skin at all. It does feel very creamy and hydrating when you're putting it on. And I really, really love that. The smell is fabulous. It really just feels good on the skin. Even when you put water to it to clean it all off, your skin still feels supple and nice. It doesn't feel gross and dry. So This product for me gets a 10 out of 10. So the next step would be the Fat Water, and this is a Pore-Refining Toner Serum. And this is probably the product that I was the most intrigued with. I was just like, what is fat water? What's fat water? I'm sure that's probably what you're wondering too. What is fat water? The consistency of it literally feels like fat water, like thick water. Like, what's that drink that people were drinking? Is it called thick water? Maybe it's called thick water. I'm not sure. People were drinking it and it apparently tastes disgusting. It has such a cool consistency to it, but let's read the claims. So on the Fenty Skin Instagram, it says
that this is a 2-in-1 toner serum combo that targets pores, improves the look of dark spots, brightens, smooths, and fights shine. This is an alcohol-free formula that won't strip the skin or dry you out. It's called Fat Water because it's
thick.
Girl, you're thicker than a bowl of oatmeal.
That's literally what it says on the Instagram. It says it's thick, 3 C's. It's $28, which I feel like is a very, very fair price for this. Very fair, because I've been using it for 30 days and it looks completely full. Packaging wise, I love, 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 love this packaging. So you just twist the top and then squirt out onto your hand, twist the top back closed, do this and put it all over your face and you are good to go. So this product, immediately I felt like it was plumping my skin. That's what I love the most about it. I don't really know about the fading of dark spots or evening the skin tone or refining the look of pores. I don't even know what that really means. My pores look exactly the exact same size, but it's made my skin feel so plump and juicy and alive, and that's what I like the most about this product. And I do like that this is also a 2-in-1 product. Just like the cleanser, this is a toner and a serum. Last but not least, we have the Hydra Visor Invisible Moisturizer and SPF, and this product is probably my favorite of the bunch. If I'm really being picky and choosy, like it's between these two. But I really, really, really love the feeling, the smell, everything about this product. It is super, super good. I love it. So on Fenty Skin's Instagram, it says that this is a $35 USD. It is a 2-in-1 sunscreen and moisturizer. Again, a 2-in-1 product. So you're basically getting 2 products for the price of 1. It says that this product defends and brightens the skin while reducing the look of pores. Brightens and defends the skin, yes, 100%. It has a SPF of 30 in it, so for sure it's defending. Brightening, I could say 100% it does brighten. Reducing the look of pores, though, is it even possible to reduce the look of pores? Unless you're using like a pore minimizing primer, because my pores look the same, but it makes my skin feel really, really good. It plays well with makeup, no pilling and 0 flashback. 100% true. Sometimes with SPF, if you are a deeper complexion, you know that SPF tends to have a flashback, and it is the most annoying thing on earth. So annoying. It is literally just like a moisturizer, no flashback, nothing, and I can 1000% attest to that. It says it is coral reef friendly and does not contain oxybenzone, and it is earth conscious because it is refillable. So whenever your bottle runs out, you literally just twist it off and you could purchase another one of these, and the refills will be 1.7 fluid ounces, just like the regular bottle is, but you don't have to waste all of this. You're just wasting this. Okay, so as you've probably gathered by now, I really like these products. I think they're awesome. The price is right for them. They work really well. I mean, I really like them. They look cute on your vanity. I mean, it's an all-around good grade for me. It's a thumbs up. Love them. Will continue to buy them after they run out because I like them that much. And my skin feels great after using them for 30 days. I feel like I haven't had any complications in my skin. I haven't gotten any bumps or anything like that. Sometimes when you try new skincare, you could tend to get milia or those little whiteheads, but I haven't gotten any of that, so we are a-okay. And yeah, I really like these products. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this review, And I will see you guys in the next video. I think my next video is going to be how I film my Instagram makeup toots, because a lot of you guys have been asking me in my DMs on Instagram how to do them, what camera I use, what lights I use, all that stuff. So I obviously want to share the knowledge, share the wealth. So that will be my next video. Love you guys. Stay safe. Please wear your masks. Try not to get corona. Social distance. Besitos. Bye.